Alright, let's see what we got here. RimPro-Tec wheel protectors. Let's get Alright guys, so this is a multiple piece installation. The first thing you have is a plastic guide that has adhesive on the back. This goes around the outer edge of your rim. You put that all the way around. It's already in a big circle, so you don't really have to worry about bending it too much to match the curve of the wheel. Because it is an adhesive, you really got to make sure the wheel edge is clean and free of any oils or, tire black or anything like that. The other thing is that this will only work on wheels that has a certain amount of flat edge on the top. So you can see how this has like a nice flat edge in front of the tire all the way around. If you have a wheel that is sharp without a flat edge right up to the edge of the tire, then this is not going to work for you. So basically you put the outer guide in, and then there's a color insert that goes in the inner channel. So there's like a little inner channel there that the color snaps into. The nice thing about that is that you can get different colors. So if you really don't want any color, you just want it black, you can make it black until you go to a show or something, and then you can take out that insert and put in a colored insert to give you a little more pizzazz. So I'm going to go ahead and get this outer strip installed, and then we'll try to put the color insert in. Okay, so I have the outer rim on. It goes on the outer edge of the wheel all the way around. One thing you do once you get around to the edge, you do have to cut it, because it comes in one long strip in order to fit different wheel sizes. So you basically get it stuck on with the adhesive all the way around, and then when you get to the starting point, you give it a snip and put it on there. So now I'm going to put on the center color strip. So it is easier putting on the centerpiece. It still comes in one long strip, and you want to start it at the opposite end of the cut point for the guide. So you start down here, and then you'll feed it around, go over the guide, or go over the cut point in the guide there, so it gives it extra stability, and all the way down, and then when you get to the starting point, you got to snip it. So one thing that's nice is that they give you this little tool which goes right along the edge and allows you to push it down really tight and snap it in. Now if you ever want to change the interior color strip there, all you got to do is just pull that out, take it out, and put a different color strip in. So I'm going to get the rest of the tires done. Alright, there it is. So we got it on there. Goes around the edge. Looks pretty good. And the nice thing about that is that I have 20-inch wheels, and they give you enough extra material to do a whole nother wheel. So in case you actually do hit a curb on these and you damage one of the protectors, you have enough to put another one on without having to order a whole nother set, and I really like that. That's nice. So that's it, guys. Have a good one. I'll talk to you next time.